Have you ever wished that you could manifest your desires into reality?
If so, you are in luck. In this video, we will explore the teachings of Neville Goddard and delve into the power of manifesting your desires through parallel realities and quantum jumping. We will explore how to use the law of attraction and quantum mechanics to manifest your desired versions of people and objects.
By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how to use Neville Goddard's teachings to manifest your dreams into reality. First, let's explore what it means to manifest your desires through parallel reality.
When we manifest our desires through parallel realities, we are creating alternate versions of ourselves in alternate versions of the same timeline. Understanding parallel realities and quantum hopping to manifest desires.
Are you looking to take your manifestation journey to the next level? Look no further than this video, which explains a specific concept that can help you do just. The concept of parallel realities and quantum hopping is something that is often overlooked, but it is essential in order to understand spiritual teachers like Neville Goddard.
In a sense, this process of manifesting through parallel realities is a tool for us to explore different possibilities, as we can enter into alternate realities that hold different outcomes of our decisions. We enter these parallel realities through a process called quantum jumping.
Goddard believed that reality was an illusion, and that we live in multiple realities at the same time.
This understanding helps us to see how anything can be manifested by simply making decisions and jumping into new realities. By understanding this concept, we are able to unlock the power of spiritual teachers like Neville Goddard. When we observe reality not aligning with what we want to manifest, it is common for negative thinking to occur.
However, it is important to remember that there are infinite possibilities out there if we use positive visualization techniques and make decisions based on our desires.
With a little effort, anything, even your biggest dreams, can become a reality. Exploring Neville Goddard's idea of the creation is finished.
Neville Goddard is one of the most popular spiritual teachers of the 20th century.
His teachings on the creation is finished, or the idea that all possible things have been created, and now it is up to us as individuals to enter into the state of existence we desire, are hugely popular. Further in this video, we're going to explore what this concept means and how you can apply it to your life. At its heart, the creation is finished suggests that our desires have already been created, and we need to actively move towards them. We can do this by using the power of imagination, visualization, and conscious decision-making.
By thinking and behaving as if our desired outcome has already manifested in our life, we can begin to create the desired reality in alignment with our thoughts and emotions.
Everything is already in existence, but we have to find ways to unlock it and make it happen. When we think about the creation is finished, it can be hard not to feel overwhelmed.
After all, doesn't that mean there's nothing left for us to achieve?
This isn't necessarily true, though, as long as you understand what Goddard is teaching.
According to him, when you look at creation from a spiritual perspective, everything has already been created, including our desires and goals.
The only thing left for us to do is recognize these creations and choose to enter into them.
This might seem difficult at first, but it's actually quite simple.
All you have to do is take a step back and reflect on what you want in life.
Once you've identified these desires, ask yourself why you want them. Are they based in truth or simply based on opinion?
Once you've answered these questions, it's time to start manifesting them into reality by taking action. Do whatever it takes, even if that means visualizing something or affirming its existence within your mind.
Remember,
when manifesting our desires, we often find ourselves in multiple versions of ourselves with different outcomes depending on our choices or actions taken.
So enjoy exploring all possibilities.
Using quantum mechanics for manifestation.
Quantum mechanics is a mysterious and complex field of physics that explores the unique properties of matter that cannot be observed with the naked eye.
According to this theory, you exist in multiple realities and states that are the result of your thoughts, beliefs, and choices. Manifesting a specific person is possible according to Euro-infinite realities or theory. It doesn't go against free will, as there may be a reality where the desired individual is obsessed with us or loves us deeply. Neville Goddard often spoke about quantum jumping, whereby we can shift from one state to another in order to achieve our desires.
To become different versions of ourselves or step into different states, it requires conscious effort, as we need to update our thoughts and remove old ones altogether.
By embodying these different versions of yourself each day, you are constantly evolving through your own mindset and personal journey, something metaphysics refers to as quantum jumping. The state that we're currently within reflects our current thoughts. Therefore, it's important for us all to ensure they remain positive if hoping for a new life version or outcome.
Learning more about quantum mechanics can help guide people on how best they should be managing their energy in order to manifest what they desire most into their lives.
Through understanding this concept, individuals can begin manifesting their goals, dreams, and experiences by understanding which thought patterns influence reality, therefore making the right decisions accordingly. Manifesting desired versions of people using the law of assumption.
When it comes to manifesting our dreams and desires, many people hit a roadblock.
They find themselves discouraged as they don't know where to start.
The truth is, it is possible to manifest a preferred version of someone by entering into a desired state through making decisions and acting upon them.
This process is known as the law of assumption, and it works like this. When you assume a positive mindset and eliminate any doubts in your mind, the universe will help you bring about the desired outcome.
Attitudes of others toward us depend on who we are, as they act as reflections of our own selves.
So if you want people around you to treat you positively, then start treating yourself positively first. It may seem daunting at first, but with practice and patience, it becomes easier and easier to create the life that you desire. When manifesting people in your life, it is not necessary to hurt those around them. Instead, you are simply choosing the version that you love most. Positive thinking and eliminating doubts can help to create beautiful experiences when using the law of assumption in manifestation techniques. Negativity has no place when trying to manifest desires, as it will only work against these efforts and prevent success from taking place eventually. If all goes according to plan, unwanted things will eventually disappear without any drama, but only if you remain focused on your goals and keep moving forward towards them. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your perfect life today by using the law of assumption. Understanding the law of quantum jumping for manifesting dreams. There's a saying that goes something like, everything that happens is because of how you think about it. And while this may seem like a cliché, it's actually quite true. The law of quantum jumping is one such example of how our thoughts can affect our lives in a positive or negative way. The law of quantum jumping states that everything in the universe is connected, even the molecules that make up our bodies.
This means that when we make a thought, we are actually sending out energy waves into the universe.
These waves have the power to create new realities or change existing ones. So what does this mean for us?
Well, if we want to create the reality that we desire, we need to become aware of our thoughts and desires.
This is where Neville Goddard comes in. He was one of the first teachers to teach about parallel realities and how they can be used to help manifest our dreams. By understanding his theories and concepts in general terms, we can begin to build an understanding of quantum leaping for ourselves and start working toward our dreams.
So, friends, in this video, we explored the teachings of Neville Goddard and how to manifest our desires into reality through parallel realities and quantum jumping.
We discussed how to use the law of attraction and quantum mechanics to manifest desired versions of people and objects, as well as understanding the concept of the creation is finished. Finally, we looked at using quantum mechanics for manifestation, as well as using the law of assumption for desired versions of people.
Thanks for watching this video till the end.
May God bless you.